Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be playing some more teardown. I've still got the cat, I think you can see her right there. And yeah, I don't play anything off camera as usual. And yeah, last episode we had to drown a bunch of cars and now we got those two new tools to get, so let's go through. And we got pipe bombs and planks? Primitive route? Oh, no way. Wait, so does that mean I can like do this? Oh. Wait. Oh, that is so useful. Okay, I'm gonna need these planks, like a lot of them. Right, sorry, just scratching my ankle. I'm gonna need a lot of them. Let me just do that. Can I destroy these? Can I destroy these? Okay, good question. Can I destroy them? Yes, I can destroy my own planks. Can I burn them? Yes, I can. Nice. I might not want to leave the fire going there, but I'm just gonna. Yeah. Okay, let's see. New message. Nice. Tools. Okay. Plank. Can I get more planks? Yes, I can. Okay. Blah 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 blah. I can get a lot of planks. Okay, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Gordon vandalized. So yeah, this is when I like, you know, drowned his cars. Okay. Messages. What's this? Heavy lifting. Wait, one sec. They sent me GPS first, so yeah, let's do this. Let's Point Marina. Okay, nice. Take that mission. Hello, kiisu. Oh. Bye, kiisu. Well, she's not my lab, but she's still in my room. Which is always nice. Okay, let's see. What am I supposed to do? Wild alarm boxes. GPS. Is it GPSs? GPS things. What are GPS things? Oh yeah, I forgot about this thing. I've got to blow it open. But with my new pipe bomb. No, that's nice. I can just crawl through. I love how small we get. Like very small. Okay, nice. Pop. What do they look like when I throw them in the air? Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, shouldn't do that. Oh, never mind. It's good. Blow them up. Let myself on the ship. Oh, that's it. Okay. I think I can drive this. So, I'm guessing that's the escape vehicle, yeah? Just a car. As usual. Okay, now I'll just go to... Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, get out the way, and... I mean, that's annoying. I'm all good though. Yeah, we're all good. Okay, just gonna get another turn in. Still turning. In the banks, I think the back is sinking, but whatever. Hey, remember this is the spot where I had to do the big turn. Yeah, I'm doing the same like thing as last time, where I like, you know, do that. I'm gonna drive that over to there. I'm hopefully gonna get that over to here. I'm gonna take a boat and get over to there, and I'm gonna run over here. Okay. At least I've got my plan all mapped out now. Well, I think this is the 5th video I'm recording today. I'm gonna record one more today to make up for lost time. And besides, I really want to play this game. Okay, now I gotta go over. Wait, is there something even in there? Is it like, you know, is it like attached to a boat in there? Or is it just naturally like that? Also, I keep thinking the map is bigger than it looks, but no, I can literally just whoop, and I'm already all the way over here. Okay, yes, it is part of a boat. Take down. Okay, can you float? Yes, you can. Can you drive? No, you can't. It's fine. Oh, okay, move it, move it, move it. Okay, you come this way. Gonna swim it over here. There we go. Now that that's there, I can take the boat, jump up, like then I can jump, go, plan out my route, and bam, quickly into the van. Which you could have parked closer actually, but for some reason we can't control it, which is weird. Okay, so I'm guessing that one that we can't move, but this one we can. So now it's time to move over here, which is good. Up. Jump up here. No, jump up here, jump up here. Jump. Okay, get out now. Okay, keep most of the trees up because, like, you know, team trees. Wait a minute. I can't move that. So I'm gonna have to take... Ooh, I can't move that, so I'm gonna have to take the boat all the way over to there. Quick save. Oh yeah, no, that's indestructible. That's indestructible. Okay. Oof. So I've probably got to like collect that. I'm going to have to run, and then I'm going to have to take the boat all the way over to there. I'm going to have to make a tight squeeze, which will be fine. I'm going to take the boat there, going to take that boat. Oh, wait a minute. I've got to get that one over there. Right, I'm going to just check something if it's even possible to, like, you know. Okay, just break that. This way. I think this boat is not the exact same model, but close enough. Oh yeah, no. So if I jump off the corner there. There we go, finally. Now that that's in there, I should be able to like quickly go over here. Hey, nice. Now I've got a clean away over here. Just spend a bit of time doing that. Okay. I think I got my whole route planned. Once I grab this, I might actually be ready to do this. Also, I haven't used any planks yet, which is kind of surprising. Let's see, is this it? Yeah, that is it. Okay. Okay, the alarm's in the boat. But yeah, it's a boat. There we go, I think I saved the boat. No? Oh no, that only reaches up to that. Okay. You are going to go over here, and you are going to go attached to... No, you're going to be attached to that. There we go. Is something long enough? Oh yeah, that's forwards. This way is backwards. Pull it. Pull it in. Come on, game. Oh no, never mind. Seriously? Game? Okay, come on. It's upside down. No, that's not what I wanted at all. Okay, it's close enough. Okay, there we go. That seems better. Drive vehicle. Oh, this is a speedboat, isn't it? So basically my plan is I'm gonna start here, take the speedboat, go all the way over to here, grab, grab, go, grab, no wait, that wouldn't work. Okay, no, I'm gonna just put this one near this, like last time. Oh, wait. Did I just ruin my own way to get down? I crush that there. So, I'll just hopefully get up. I think you can see Kiisu next to me. She just sat on my radiator. My windowsill. My radiator and my windowsill, which is kind of weird. Okay, whoop, jump, go. Okay, so I'm gonna, should I? No, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna start, so there. So I'm gonna start there, go over here, past the speedboat hopefully. Okay, so now's not the time. Oh no, she's walking on my desk. Hopefully she doesn't step on my mouse or my keyboard. Don't you dare. Hey, psst, psst, give me Kiisu. Kiisu. Hello. Hello, Kiisu. Oh no. So let me turn on the keyboard, she'll get so freaked out. It's on. Psst, Kiisu. No, that's stepping on my keyboard. Okay, you can get on my lap, but not on my keyboard. Mwah. Okay, yes, you just go there. And you love to chill out there, yeah. No, you drop the glass. Okay, there we go, she's pretty happy now. Nice to tail wag, she's pretty happy. Okay, so my new plan is I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna steal this car, drive over to the house, and go and do that. Oh, why are you wet? You've been on my lap basically all day. No, as soon as I got home, you've been on my lap. So how are you wet? No, whatever. Is that on level or 4 meters? 3 meters above player, great. Oh. Come on, here. Okay, who puts a little alarm like that on? No, whatever. Okay. I've got how many planks? Yeah, that should be a good amount of planks. So I'm gonna do that. Go through here. Come through here. Grab a little speed boat. Let me check how fast this one is. Yeah, no, take that boat. Spray can. Okay, gonna put a giant X on that. Okay, and another X right here. Now I know which one to take. Not the X one, the other one. Plank. Just gonna get down here. And then get back up. Oh no, that's too steep. Can I put like these as like a ladder? Imagine if I could. Oh, never mind, that does work. Okay, neat. Okay, you can open that up with a Nerf gun. Whip. And a whip. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do that. To that. And bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop. Okay, now I can easily walk up that, grab, yoink, and go. Okay, nice. Next part is I'm going to need a car, supposedly a fast one. Hey, you look pretty fast on the road. Hey, you're pretty fast on the road. There goes you. Okay, go this, do this. Sadly, I've only got one plank left. Okay, so if I put a plank there, because I've noticed when I grab stuff, I go through it, right? So what happens if I put a plank on something and grab the plank? Would it, like, I don't know, keep me floating? I hope so, because I don't want to drown. If that's even possible in this game. Oh, no. Okay, nope, that's not working. Hey, whoop. Okay, and grab that. Okay, let's see, can I do stuff now? Nope, but I am sort of staying afloat. No, this isn't working. I think I'm faster if I just swim. Alright, I'm gonna try this whole thing one attempt just before I end the video. Wait a minute, I'm supposed to be over there! So stupid! I wasted so much time doing that. Wow. Okay, I think it's about time we did this whole thing. Hopefully. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump over here. Cargo, go. Cargo, 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 you know, cargo. I'm saying cargo and it sounds like cargo, like, you know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean. Come on, come on. Okay, go this way. Do a sharp right here. Don't crash. And get out and fail. Okay. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Please like and subscribe since I can crush my enemies since it's New Year, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!